to the realization, say, I know every Jamaican love Jamaica. And I know every Jamaican people love Jamaican people. Always I try to figure out what cause Jamaica people for kill off Jamaica people. So for the life of me.
Recently, I had an interview and I was asked, you know, the very thing about the artist who is here before and those coming up. Bounty Killer did a song with JAHSHII, right? Now, JAHSHII is I love him very much. He's one of our very budding potential superstars out of this country if the same mentorship that you're speaking of is carried out. Now, the song that Bounty Killer did with JAHSHII is a very serious gun song, right? And while we're just talking about the right for freedom of speech, the right to express through music, the right to be who you are as an artistic person, I was bothered by it as a fellow artist myself. But as the song very nice, it's very catchy, you know, the youths are onto it. But we are here today because of the level of violence that we're seeing played out amongst our young people in particularly. And now if JAHSHII is coming as a little youth who for the most part did not come into the business with gun lyrics, let me put that out there plain and clear. He's a little youth I was talking about, that he's talking about elevating himself, coming out of the inner city, making his mommy rich, making his family rich, not just doing crime and doing that. If you listen to the songs that this little youth is trying to do, those are the things that's what he's essentially trying to say. So I was to Bounty Killer that as much as I love you and the fact that you have introduced so many great artists into the space, we can name them all. Now you're getting like a grandfather role now. These are great grandchildren that you have now dealing with. We're saying change the strategy a little. Do a little, not even necessarily a cultural song, but do a song that is saying to the youths like JAHSHII, to the ones that are bigger like you, who JAHSHII is maybe influenced by that age group. Say, let's change now how we speak to each other in music, so that Bounty now can have the opportunity to say, I let you Vibes Cartel, I let you Mavado, I let you Adoni, I let you all of these youths, and I made them do what they wanted to do. Now, as an elder in the industry, I'm saying to you, JAHSHII, that as much as you have the right to be lyrical and to do all you want to do, let's try to do some of these songs that will elevate your peers' minds so that they don't feel like chopping is the only way out, or the guard rings, or that kind of a mindset. And if we don't have artists who are willing to take that seriously, the mentorship is not, because a lot of these youths want to come to some of us as elders, but some of us as elders are not approachable. We feel like we've been there, we've done that, we're big already, the whole world know we, and you just need to just work on your thing, get your own foot in, and if it work out, oh, it work out. We have a lot of responsibility where a lot of our elder artists are concerned. I try to reach out to all of these youths. I have all of them numbers in my phone, and I'm trying now to set up a meeting with them so that I can help them to understand that see Vibes them, they see Tamili them, they are in jail. You know what I mean? And we don't know the real reasons why they're there, but they are still very influential even though they are in there. So let's look at what we're doing wrong in the industry and really try to get to these youths who really look up to us the way they do, and that's the only way out.